Okay, I want to show you how you go in to file your appeal. With the link that we sent you, just click on that link and you're going to come to this page. When you get to this page, click on File Appeal, Start Appeal, and then you're just going to click on Owner. Now this is a rental property of mine, so I do need to put this address in. So I'm just type that in quick. Normally you're not going to have to put that address in because it's already there. But then you're going to go put your phone number in, your email, and you're going to confirm your email. Now on this next page, this is where you're going to want to put that, what we said was the average of the properties, if you're comfortable with that number. You put that number in here, and then you come down here and you click on similar properties. Now in this here, you can put in either that, what we suggested you put in, or if there's something else that you would rather put in there, feel free to do that. But I'm just going to go and put something in there real quick. Sorry about that. This is actually going to be what I am going to put for my appeal. So that just goes in there. And then you come down here, you hit next, and now you're going to upload that the comps that we sent you. And so that's going to be in there then. You hit next, and then it just says here, here's your summary. Here's what you put. This is what you put. And then your supporting documents. Submit appeal. And that's all there is to it.